Hello everyone. Today we are making fish on papillote. So it's a French term that means enclosed in a paper or butter paper or pancement paper. So if you are making in French style, it is known as un papillote. If you are making in Italian style, it is known as al cartorico. Okay. So in this case, what happens is the fish and the aromatic vegetable along with the seasoning herbs is placed in the paper and baked in the oven. There is no loss of flavors, nutrition and wholesomeness. So to begin with, here I have salmon with skin. I will add this sumac powder because I love this flavor. It's a dried berry and available in Mediterranean regions. Here I have got salt and some sort of black pepper. This is the olive oil. Just mix it so that the flavor get infused in it. Let it for 15 minutes. Here I have the butter paper. So here we have thyme, softened butter, slices of lemon, there's onion and garlic, there's mushrooms, there's capers, there's bell pepper and zucchini. So what I did is I little sauteed the vegetable to soften the texture. At the same time, if you want to blanch it, you can blanch it. So to begin with, we'll add this mushrooms because I love mushrooms. Even though it's not a real vegetable, it's a fungus. So I used to add a lot of mushroom because it has got a lot of zinc properties. We'll add some bell peppers to make a bed. Then zucchini. I love vegetables, that's why I'm putting more. If you want, you can add less. Here I have onion and garlic, which has been sauteed. Here I have thyme. You can also add dill leaves because dill leaves goes well, but I love the flavor of thyme. Here I have some capers and add the caper water. Now place the fish. Okay. Then add the softened butter on the top. Add the lemon slices. Now, to fold it, everything should be in one place. So now, fold it from here. It has to be enclosed in such a manner that the skin should not be escaped from that. Here I am using the butter paper, which is used in bakery and other pastry items. See, the bag has been sealed so well that it can hold all the flavors, nutritional and wholesomeness, and the good things of or good properties of the fish. So we will bake it at 220 degrees for 15 minutes. Let's see. So after 15-20 minutes, the fish is ready. Let's open it. It's very hot. As you can see, sauce and the fish is cooked so well, there is no loss of flavors. You can see the goodness of